So the first website you're gonna go to is utorrent.com. You're gonna hit free download. You're gonna hit download now, and then you're gonna click this once it's done. So once you have uTorrent, I'm not gonna download it because I already have it. So once you have uTorrent, what you're gonna do is head over to this website. I'm going to link this in the description box. You're gonna hit magnet download. You're gonna hit open uTorrent, and then be sure to hit OK once all three of these appear. We're gonna hit OK. What you're gonna do is right click, go to bandwidth allocation, and make sure it's set to high. And this shouldn't take very long. Once it's seeding, what you're gonna do is right click, hit stop, double click it, hit continue. Now what you want to do is click search and then type in settings, go to update in security. You're going to hit Windows security, then you're going to go to virus and protection. You're going to click manage settings where it says virus and threat protection settings. Go down to the bottom to exclusions, click add, and then right here you can see I already have that folder linked. So you want to go to add and then go to folder, and then what you're going to do is go to the location of your folder, and then once you have that, you can close this out, double click this, right click run as an admin, run anyway. You can close out of this, click yes, hit next, then click next. I want to run the program. Now as you can see, the IObit Uninstaller 11 Pro is here and running. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.